The situation in Israel remains on a high alert after missile salvos were launched by Iran inside Israel, and the Home Front Command has given instructions to people to be cautious, to remain indoors, to stay unexposed because of the fresh salvos that are coming in from Iran side. And there are inputs of heavy damages in Beersheba and multiple different locations after Iran had launched this attack on Israel. In the morning at 5 a.m. there were alerts that were sounded by the Home Front Command, after which people had to take shelters for a very long period of time. For around 2 hours they had to be in shelters, and now also the crowd or people on the streets is very limited. So the Home Front Command has continued to tell people that they need to be very cautious, do not move until it is essential for them to move. So this is how the situation looks like in Israel right now. And Israel, the authorities and the forces are keeping a check, and they are countering whatever missile attacks are coming in from Iran. At the same time, they are apprehensive of the ceasefire announcements that have come in from United States, because right after the ceasefire was announced, there were fresh attacks that were launched towards Israel, and Israel territory has been inflicted with serious and severe damages in terms of losing its people. Around 3 people have lost their life in Beersheba, which was attacked earlier. Also the hospital in Beersheba, which was attacked, had seen heavy damages and destruction, and similar destructive pictures have been very evident of the fact that Iran is not going to back out. It's not bowing down. It is not in a mood to stop this war. In fact, for now, this is the kind of messaging that is being received here in Israel from Iran. So we have to wait and watch for more such announcements and statements that come from Iran and Israel, and what Israel has to decide after Iran has attacked and launched fresh salvos of hypersonic missiles across its cities. This is Shivani Sharma. I'll keep getting you more updates from Israel amid this conflict.